1 in every 4 adults will suffer a stroke in his life today.
Neurological conditions like dementia and stroke, the rates are rising around the world. What, in your view, will help patients not fall through the cracks and actually get the help they need to maybe prevent this or recover?
Prevention, education, recognizing the sign of a stroke, recognizing the sign of a dementia, acting early, and new treatments on neuroplasticity like the one we bring to the market. 1 in every 4 adults will suffer a stroke in his life today. So it's definitely increasing, and we see more and more strokes in the young. Now, there has been great advance in prevention, in managing the risk factors, but still we see an increasing number of strokes, both in the young and with the aging of population. Hyperacute care, i.e. removing the clot, the thrombolysis, the thrombectomy have made great advances, but still reach only a fraction of the patient. In developed economy, we're probably less than 10% of the patient who are eligible and make it in time to the center. So after the stroke, at the distance of the event, patients are left with a challenge of their recovery journey, recovering their motor, their speech, their functions. And that's where we play a role in terms of providing therapies which act in conjunction with rehabilitation in providing better outcome in achieving independence.
When we talk about what you've done, you have taken NeuroAid around the world, so many different health systems, and had to really go under the scrutiny of regulators. If you could do it again, what would you do different given how that process was?
So NeuroAid is not the usual treatment, right? It emerged from as a natural herbal product, as a very complex herbal extraction. We took the product as is, and we brought it through systematic preclinical research and clinical research. Today, it's about 90 publications which document the properties of NeuroAid. This is only valid because we did a huge effort in terms of CMC, something I learned late into the process. But having a herbal with 9 ingredients, a very complex proprietary process of extraction, calibrating it so that each time the product is the same, the patient and their clinicians can expect the clinical benefit, but also the absence of drug-drug interaction, is a very important work.
When we talk about neurorestorative care, what do you think is going to move it forward the quickest? Is it better access, better science, better tech? Where is that magic lever?
For us, it's better science and acceptance that for very complex disease, the solution may not be in a single molecule, in a monomolecule religion, but for complex disease, pleiotropic mechanisms acting at several points of the disease helps achieving good outcome in large and heterogeneous group of populations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.